In this tutorial we will show you how you can import your point clouds into PinPoint, and how you can open projects that have already been imported. First we copy our E57 project to the desktop. This example consists of 2 residential units and 28 grayscale scan positions. First start PinPoint and click on the Create button. Select the desired storage location and give your project a name. Click the Save button. A dialog for the scan import opens immediately. Select the appropriate point cloud S and click the Open button. On the left you can see how PinPoint creates the project file myatwanan.smf and the project folder myatwanan.data. Now you need a little patience for the point cloud processing. We'll show you these steps in fast motion. As soon as all the data has been processed, you will see a 3D model of your project. Of course, you only have to import the point clouds once, and you can open it again at any time. We're only doing this once symbolically. Let's close the current project and open it again using the Load button. See how to model a room in the upcoming tutorial. As always, the links can be found under the video.